My name is Reza. I live in Etobicoke, and I essentially chose Action Homes because of the competitive pricing. So when Action Homes came and John provided the quote, I did get 5 of them. They weren't the highest, they weren't the lowest, they're very competitive. But what I really enjoyed about John is he took the time to explain the different materials, how everything was going to work, giving me even better pricing after seeing the amount of work that needed to be done in my backyard. And John and I just really clicked, and that was really important to me, have that strong relationship with the contractor that was going to come in here. So when you're looking at project manager, it's really important that you can communicate with the project manager. Again, having that relationship with them is extremely important. And the one that we had in Renault, he genuinely did care, and that is rare in this, what I found with contractors and getting my house built. They don't always care about the work they do, but Renault did. So always trying to keep me satisfied was really shown throughout the project, and I really appreciated that from Renault. So looking at the results of my entire backyard, it was quite complex from all the different things that I was asking for, from the cabana, the spa, the waterfall, this amazing outdoor kitchen. I think they did an amazing job. They did take their time to ensure that I was always happy, and I did give a lot of feedback throughout the process, and I would absolutely recommend Action Homes to my friends and family. And I just wanted to say thank you, Action Home Services, and John, you have an incredible team and good luck in the future.